Hello everyone, Tech Aid TV here. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check and reset the default password of this Brother DCP-T420W printer. Initially, you can check the default machine password of your printer located at the back of the machine, under the machine serial number. So now to check that label is just turn your printer and locate the printer's product label. So this is now the printer's or machine default password. But when your printer's default password label has been erased or not visible, you can do this second method to check the machine's default password. So now do this second method. Just plug in your printer's power cable. Then right after, kindly load a letter or an A4 size paper on your paper cassette tray. So now the second method is we were going to print the Network Configuration Report or NCR. So to print the Network Configuration Report, just press the Wi-Fi button and Mono Start button simultaneously. And then the machine starts printing the Network Configuration Report. The Network Configuration Report shows your network configuration details, including the machine default password. And then, here on Network Configuration Result, you can see here your printer's network settings and status, and your machine default password is located at the bottom of the document. So this is now the machine default password in order for you to log in and manage your machine settings. But in the cases like you are changing or created a custom machine password for your Brother machine printer and you have forgotten the password, all you have to do is to perform a network or a machine reset to factory default to regain access and manage your machine settings through its default machine password. Now let's perform a machine reset. So just press and hold the power button and the Mono Start button simultaneously. Then release, when power LED and ink LED flash once and the warning LED starts blinking. Then right after, press and hold the Mono Start button for at least 2 seconds. Then, the machine restarts. Then wait until the flashing power LED becomes stable or steady. Then, when power indicator LED becomes stable, now let's do reset the print server back to its default factory settings. So press and hold the Wi-Fi button and stop or power button simultaneously. Just keep holding on the Wi-Fi button and power button. And then, release holding the power and Wi-Fi button after ink LED and warning LED flash for 1 second. And then, when Wi-Fi button indicator LED starts flashing, then we may now press and hold the color start button for 2 seconds. Then again, the machine restarts. Then after the flashing power LED becomes stable, now, we're done resetting the machine's print server. Then the print server password is now reset back to its default factory settings. And now we will be able to use to log in its default password to manage the printer settings. Then now we will try to log in using its default password, since we're done resetting back its factory settings. Kindly connect your printer using USB cable or Wi-Fi connection. Then open the Brother Print and Scan application. And then click on Add Machine. Then select your machine and click OK. And then again, click OK. Then, we may now click on Supplies and Machine Settings. Then here we're going to type in the machine default password to log in and manage the machine settings. And now we have successfully logged in using the default machine password. And that's the simple step-by-step procedure on how to check and reset your Brother DCP-T420W print server password back to its factory default settings. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.